Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best massage guns of 2023. A massage gun is a handheld device that uses vibration and percussion to target sore muscles and help with muscle recovery. There are so many massage guns on the market, and it can be challenging to know which one to choose. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the best massage guns currently available on the market. We'll be looking at the features, price, and overall value for money. Number 1. Therabody Theragun Pro. Our first massage gun on the list is the Therabody Theragun Pro. This is a top-of-the-line massage gun that is designed for professional use. It comes with 6 different attachments that allow you to target different muscle groups. The Theragun Pro has a powerful motor that can deliver up to 60 pounds of force, making it perfect for deep tissue massage. One of the best features of the Theragun Pro is the smart app integration. You can connect the massage gun to the Therabody app and access customized wellness routines, guided warm-up and recovery, and more. The Theragun Pro also has an OLED screen that displays speed and battery life, making it easy to keep track of your massage sessions. The Theragun Pro is priced at around $599, which is a bit steep for some people. However, if you're a professional athlete or someone who takes recovery seriously, the Theragun Pro is an excellent investment. Number 2. Hyperice Hypervolt Plus. Our second massage gun on the list is the Hyperice Hypervolt Plus. The Hypervolt Plus is a more affordable option compared to the Theragun Pro, priced at around $349. The Hypervolt Plus is a versatile massage gun that comes with 5 different attachments, making it perfect for targeting different muscle groups. The Hypervolt Plus has a powerful motor that can deliver up to 60 pounds of force, just like the Theragun Pro. It also has 3 different speed settings that you can choose from, making it easy to customize your massage experience. One of the standout features of the Hypervolt Plus is its quiet operation. The massage gun produces minimal noise, which is a huge plus if you plan on using it in public spaces. Number 3. Achetaeway Pro. Our third massage gun on the list is the Achetaeway Pro. The Achetaeway Pro is a relatively new player in the massage gun market, but it has quickly gained popularity due to its affordable price and high-quality performance. The Achetaeway Pro is priced at around $199, making it one of the more budget-friendly options on our list. Despite its lower price, the Achetaeway Pro still packs a punch with its powerful motor that can deliver up to 50 pounds of force. It also comes with 5 different attachments, making it versatile enough to target different muscle groups. The Achetaeway Pro also has an impressive battery life, lasting up to 5 hours on a single charge. This makes it perfect for people who are always on the go and don't have time to recharge their massage gun regularly. Number 4. Ekran B37. Our fourth massage gun on the list is the Ekran B37. The Ekran B37 is another affordable option, priced at around $229. Despite its lower price, the Ekran B37 still delivers impressive performance with its powerful motor that can deliver up to 56 pounds of force. The Ekran B37 also has a long battery life, lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge. This is impressive compared to other massage guns in its price range, making it perfect for people who want to use their massage gun multiple times without having to worry about recharging. The Ekran B37 also has 3 different speed settings that you can choose from, allowing you to customize your massage experience to your liking. Overall, the Ekran B37 is an excellent option for people who want a powerful and affordable massage gun that doesn't compromise on quality. Number 5. Therabody Theragun Elite. Our final massage gun on the list is another product from Therabody, the Theragun Elite. The Theragun Elite is a mid-range massage gun priced at around $399. Despite its lower price compared to the Theragun Pro, the Theragun Elite still delivers impressive performance with its powerful motor that can deliver up to 40 pounds of force. The Theragun Elite comes with 5 different attachments, making it versatile enough to target different muscle groups. It also has an OLED screen that displays speed and battery life, making it easy to keep track of your massage sessions. One of the standout features of the Theragun Elite is its ergonomic design. The massage gun is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use for extended periods without experiencing any discomfort. The Theragun Elite also has a long battery life, lasting up to 2 hours on a single charge. There are so many massage guns on the market, but these are the top 5 best massage guns of 2023. From the top-of-the-line Theragun Pro to the budget-friendly H2A Pro, there's a massage gun on this list for everyone. Whether you're a professional athlete or someone who wants to take their muscle recovery seriously, a massage gun is a great investment. With their powerful motors and versatile attachments, massage guns can help relieve muscle soreness and improve overall muscle recovery. So, which massage gun are you going to try out? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.